Hi, good afternoon all. All of you ready for math class? Did you take your instrument box and notes? Okay. What is our chapter name? Angles. Which chapter already which topic already we are completed now? Oh. When form an angle. First one, when form an angle. When form an angle? When two lines are joined or meeting at a point that time form an angle. What are the main parts of angle? Vertex and arms. Next one confusing question. What is the main types of angles? What's the main types of angles? Which are 90 degree angle, below 90 degree angle and above 90 degree angle. What is the name of 90 degree angle? What is the name? What is the name? Right angle. What is the name? Right angle. What is the name of below 90 degree angle? Below 90 degree angle? What is the name? Acute angle. What about above 90 degree angle? What is the name? Obtuse angle. Okay. What is the standard measure of angle? What is the standard measure of angle? Which unit is used for measuring angle? Angles measure. Which one? Degree. What is a degree? How can mark that that unit? Small zero above that measure. Where above that measure small zero want to write denoted. Next one, which tool is used for measuring angle? Which tool is your instrument box have using measuring angles? What's the name? Protractor. All of you study how can draw and measure angle? Okay, all of you know. What is the main parts of protractor? How many parts have a protractor? First one, baseline. Second one, center of the protractor. Next one, how many scale have? Inner scale and outer scale. Inner scale and outer scale. Okay, already that much portions are already finished. Next one, we want to discuss today. Which one? Circle division. Which one? Circle division. Now you think, what for circle division again? Already finished. Our notebook have that is circle, draw and cut into different parts using set square. That portion using set square. Now want to repeating. Which one? Using protractor. Using protractor. Circle division want to repeating using protractor. Protractor using one circle. How can divide that equal parts? This is the today's topic. What is the today's topic? Circle division. How can divide the circle in equal parts? Using protractor. Using protractor. Okay. All of you ready? First one. Now I give one question. Write down the question. Okay. Previous class, we already drawn some figures. Which are the figures already drawn? Triangle, rectangle, and one more figure. Which one? Rectangle and one more figure. Rectangle like another figure already drawn. What is the name of that shape? That is the homework. What is the shape? Four side and four angles have. What is special about that shape? Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. What is the name of that figure? You search it where? Search it that figure name. What is the name of that figure? Ah, that name is parallelogram. What is the name? Parallelogram. No need today, this year, no need to study that topic. Next year, we want to study detail. Only study that, what is the name of that figure? What is the name? Parallelogram. What is the special? Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Sum total of the angle is 360 degree. That only want to study now. What is the special about that figure? Opposite angles are equal. Sum of the angle 360 degree. Sum of the angle is 360 degree. Okay, that is the previous class homework. Some students are done. Somebody have doubt. That's why I told now. Okay, next going our today's topic. One question is given. What is the question? Draw a circle and cut into 3 equal parts and join that part. Which shape you got after joining time? That points are joining time. Which shape you got? That is the question. Okay, first one. What is the first step? Draw a circle. All of you draw a circle. What is the measure of? What is the radius of the circle? Already we will do which measure? What is the how many centimeter want to draw a circle? Ah, same 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter measure. Take your compass. Draw a circle. What is the measure? Radius is 5 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. Okay. After drawing, circle, what is the second step? What is the second step? Draw a radius. Draw a radius. Find out the center of the circle. Center of the circle. What is the radius? What do you mean by radius? That distance between center to circle. Distance between center to circle. All of you finish? Next one. How many equal parts you want? How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. What is the measure of each part? What is the measure of each part? There you understood 3 equal parts have 3 angles in the circle. How many angles want to draw? 3 angles. What is the measure of 3 angles? How can find out? What is the total angles measure in a circle? Total angles measure in a circle how many degree? 360 degree. Just find out 360 divided by 3. How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. Total part divided by number of part. Total measure divided by number of part. How many parts? 3 equal parts. 1, what's the answer? 120 degree. 120 degree. Just one. Listen all of you. Take your protractor and place on the radius. Where? Radius. റേഡിയസിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ നമ്മുടെ പ്രൊട്രാക്ടർ വെക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് അത് ഏത് സ്കെയിൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ടത്? സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് പോയിന്റ് ഓർ എൻഡ് പോയിന്റ് വി യൂസ്? Starting point. What is the measure? 120. Which scale 120 use? We will use starting point. Which scale is used? Inner scale. Which scale is used? Inner scale. Where is the 120 in your protractor? Inner scale. Inner scale. After joining with scale. Okay. Now one angle is given. What is the measure of that angle? 120 degree. Which type of angle that? Which type of angle? Above 90 or below 90? Above 90. Next one. Now you got another new radius you got. That radius, put on your protractor and find out the again inner scale 120 find out. Okay. How many angles you got now? How many angles? 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. How many angles you got? 3 angles. What is the measure of each angle? 120 degree. 120 degree. Next one, 120 degree. Next one, 120 degree. What is the measure? 120 degree. Okay, 120 degree. What is the total of 120? How many 120? 120, 120, 120. What is the answer? 360. Okay, 360. Next one, you want to do another one. Another step. What is the another question? The sub question have join that part or points. Part or points. Now you got some points. 1, 2, 3. 3 points you got. That points want to join in time. You got one figure. What is the name of that figure? Joining. That points are joined. Okay. And after I will rub that inner part. What is the figure you got? What is the name of the figure? What is the name? Triangle. What is the name? Triangle. How many parts have a triangle? 3 parts and 3 angles. Now you understand? Okay, what is our first step? Firstly draw a circle, and after second one draw radius. Third one draw angles. Which measure angle? 120 degree. 120 degree angles draw. How many angles you got? 3 angles. After joining that points. Which one? Joining that points. After joining that points, rub the inside portion. Now you got one figure. What is the name of that figure? Triangle. What's the name? Triangle. Now understand? Okay. Next one again. Another question. Draw a circle and cut into 4 equal parts. Next one. Draw a circle. Next question. Draw a circle and cut into 4 equal parts, and joining that points, you got one figure. What is the name of that figure? Name of that figure. How can find out? Firstly, draw a circle. Second one, draw a radius. How many centimeter radius you got? 5 centimeter. How many equal part you want? 4 equal parts. How can get each part how many degree? 360 divided by 4. 360 divided by 4. How many degree? 9. How many degree? 90 degree. 90 degree. How can get using set square? Set square also that 90 degree. But we use now protractor. Find out 90 degree. After got the points using scale, joining that again you got one new radius. Again, find out 90 degree. Mark it. You got again new radius. Using that radius, find out the next next 90 degree and join. That time you got how many angles you got? 4 angles. Each measure 90 degree. Each measure 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay. What is the next step? That points 1 to joining using scale. And after, rub the inside portion. Rub the inside portion. Which figure you got now? How many side? 4 side. Measure it. What is the measure of each side? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. 4 sides, 4 angles. What is the name of that figure? All sides are equal. What is the name? Square. Okay. What is the name? Square. 3 part over, 4 part over. Next one is 4 after 5. Next one 5 part. Write down next question. Same question, only change that equal parts. The next one equal parts. What is the name? 5 equal parts. What is the name? 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. Draw a circle. Draw a circle and cut into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts and join that points. What is the shape you got? What is the name of that shape? Okay. First one. What is the first step? Draw a circle. Draw a circle. After drawing radius, and find out how many equal parts? 5 equal parts. How can get each part? How many measure? Each part how many measure? How can find out? 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by 5. 36. How many times in 36? 5. 7 times. 7 into 5. 35. 1. 10. 2 times. Okay. What's the measure? 72 degree. How can find out 72 degree? Your protractor have 72 degree. How can? Using protractor and find out, place the radius. Where is 72? 72. First you listen. 72. That number where your protractor have where lie down? That is 70 and 80. Which portion want to use? 70 and 80. Some students taking 70 and 60. 70, that upward want to look at 70 and 80. That topic, that portion want to take. 70 and 80. Between 70 and 80. Okay. 70. Next one 71. And next point is 72. Okay. 72. 72 degree. 72 degree. Next one, same as above. Next one, again do New radius using for measuring 72, 70 and 80. Above portion of 70. 70 and 80. Between 70 and 80. 70 and 80. Next one again. New radius use. New radius use. 72. Okay. How many angles you got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many angles you got? 5 angles. Each measure 72 degree. 72 degree. Next one. What is the next step? Join that points. Some points you got on the circle. Want to join it. After I rub the inner part of the circle. What is the shape you got? 5 side how? What is the shape you got now? What is the name? That is 5th standard. Already we studied. What is the name of that figure? 5 part shape is called a pentagon. What is the name? Pentagon. 5 side pentagon. 6 side hexagon. 7 side septagon. 8 side octagon. Okay. All of you remembering that? That is your duty. Do again. 5 side now over. Next one. 6 side, 7 side, 8. That much you want to draw your notebook neatly. Okay, that is your this class homework. Understood? What is your homework? Now, triangle and square is over. Next, pentagon also over. Next one, you want to draw with which measures? 7 side, 8 side. Okay, 6 side also. That is your homework. Now you understand how can circle division? One circle is divided into different parts using protractor. That is a very important portion. Want to do so many times. Neatly want to do. And after find out that what is the special about that shape also. Okay. Okay, thank you.